Hi, Stuart Barn here, and in this video we're looking at the blues scale CAGED shape 4. Just like with shapes 1, 2 and 3 in the previous videos, we're going to do this in the key of A, which means we're going to be playing the A blues scale. This is what it looks like. As usual, there is a link in the notes below this video. You can click through, get this scale on screen or print it off. And just like with the previous videos, with the previous shapes, what we have here is just the minor pentatonic scale, A minor pentatonic, with one extra note added in, here and here. So you need to become aware of where these notes are, memorize them as soon as you can, and we've pointed out previously that you can use the scale over both a major or a minor chord of the same root. So my A blues scale works over A minor or an A major, and in both situations, the result is approximately the same as regards this new note that we've added in. It creates tension when played with emphasis. However, you can also just pass through it more fleetingly, and that doesn't create tension, it just has a smooth bluesy effect. So let's quickly demonstrate those two. We'll start with emphasis. Here's my A major chord. So you can hear that extreme tension that's created by that flat 5 note. Don't worry if you don't know what flat 5 is, we'll deal with that in the future. Just think of it as a name, flat 5. And here it is again, but used in passing. So there was no tension, but it's a nice bluesy effect. As usual, get this in your practice regime. If it's something you haven't quite spent enough time on, you can use it over major or minor chords, as we said. It's a good idea to change the key sometimes rather than only playing in A, because tunes come in all sorts of different keys. Good luck with the practice. Please give the video a thumbs up if you thought it was useful and click subscribe so I can send you more.